I've slipped from Eileen Marcussen.
This July 4th weekend, Eileen Brewing Company's outdoor stage hosted two bands that should be familiar to you in Carpinteria city government. Former city manager Dave Derflinger's band, South of Linden, played on Friday night. And the Youngsters, council member Solorzano's father's band, played on Saturday night. And I love Neil Young, just like the Youngsters obviously do. But the band's covers didn't win me over this weekend. I heard throbbing, degraded versions of everyone's favorites from Neil Young's Harvest and After the Gold Rush, in our neighborhood, the Beach neighborhood. The muddied, distorted cover tunes actually depressed this Neil Young fan. And I shouldn't have to be forced to listen to Councilmember Solorzano, her father's band, but I had no choice. Something's rotten in the city of Carpinteria.
One of these days, gonna sit down and write on it to all the good. Don't let me down. From the first time that you